How to recover deleted Telegram account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Chrome, search Telegram support, and click on support at the top, which is the first option. Also, it is the official Telegram website. In here, simply add your full legal name, add your email, your phone number, and at the top you'll find please describe your problem. In there you can simply type in why you want to recover your deleted Telegram account. Give them a valid reason. Then press on submit at the bottom. Telegram will get back to you and solve your problem. This is how to recover deleted Telegram account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or wants to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.